Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to kick off a little series of swipes. After the last one I thought I need to practice a bit more and work on my consistency. I've got Liquitex Basics Iridescent White. This one is the Deco Art Sheen Champagne Gold. This one is the Deco Art Sheen Pewter, and this one here is a Mont Silver. I've also made up some base, which I've got Amsterdam Titanium White, and I've got Amsterdam Paynes Grey. This is supposed to be black and white split base with a little tiny bit of colour, so it's more neutral palette that I'm going for today. Just a hint of shine. And I was going to go black and white, but I decided Payne's Grey might be a little bit nicer. I've also got two swipe mixes. I've got my white and my black. This is Amsterdam Titanium White and this is Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed with Australian Floetrol. 3-to-1 there. So let's get started. Okay, so I just thought it would be a good idea to work on my consistency of my paint. This is possibly a little bit thick, and my colours may be a little bit thin, but I want to practice. Let's get a fair bit on there. I want to practice, I want to get good at swipes. I've done some really good ones, but I want to consistently get them good. Payne's Grey is pretty. I'll be curious to see how the black swipe mix goes over the Payne's Grey. So I want to do a lot of negative space. Just not tilting this much yet. I just want to see how much paint's on there. Let's go a little bit more. Square it off a bit maybe. Seems that this canvas is square. Might help me work on my composition a little bit. Not really sure. Okay, so my thought here is to do colour through there and then a colour through there, and then maybe some small swipes as well. Maybe I'll do it more here and then add a little bit. Okay, so through the black I'm going to start with the Champagne Gold. I want to get a fair amount colour. Something like that. Or so we maybe we go that way and that way. It's not coming out. There we go. So if I'm going to go that way, and I'll go white through that way. So I'll finish off with a bit of grey there. And this one I'll finish off with a bit of the gold here. Alright. Which way am I going to swipe first? Let's go the white. I'm going to use the black swipe mix for this. So this is Amsterdam Oxide Black. Yeah, alright, let's do it. I'm not going to touch anything else yet. Let's turn it around. And I'm going to do the white. It's good. I'm just trying to work out how simple to keep this. Do I want to take a little swipe through there? I don't know if they're going to stay on at all, those two sides, but I actually think I'm going to leave this fairly much the way it is. I could do more little wispy bits, but I'm not going to. I really want to keep this simple. Let's tilt. all of that. I didn't want to. Kind of want to keep that. Wow. There's my tweezers. I've got some lumps. Now, let me just get these little bits out. Lucky that was just on the Payne's grey. There's a hair in there though. Just add a little bit of that Payne's grey back there. And I wonder whether to take that off. I've got a little bit down here. Didn't keep much of that. No. The whole canvas is going to shift. I kind of want to keep it like that. I think I got it that time. This is looking beautiful. I'm just checking these little spots. It's gonna leave little spots on there, but might settle down. All right, let's get the torch. No, this is good. When I set out to do it, I thought I might have more black and white space, but I'm happy with this. Yep. This is a fantastic first piece for my swipe series. I love it. It's gorgeous. I will bring you in for the wet results. Okay, here are the wet results. And I love the colours. I know it's hardly any colour, but it worked really well. And the lacing has turned out quite well. So this was the black lacing. Comes all the way down here. Sorry about my lights, guys. And here's the white lacing going up through here. And then it gets really soft up there. I've got this little bit left on here where I added that extra bit, and then down in this corner there's just a hint of what was that other piece, and a bit of softness through here, which is nice. So we've got some black on both ends, the white up there, and then it's a bit softer up there. So it's not quite white, but it's softer. But I love it. I will bring you back when it's dry and we'll have a look at it shine. Okay, here is the dry result. And let's have a look at the shine. So pretty. Yeah. So I love this piece. The lacing, I'll bring you in closer. The lacing in it, there's all different sizes, like, and different shapes. Like it's really big over here. Got an unusual pattern through there. And then up here, it's quite soft. And coming back through here, you know, we've got the black lacing versus the white lacing. And this is really pretty as well. And then a bit of softness again up here. Yeah, that's really cool. One thing I would like to point out that I don't think I mentioned, these little lumps in here that I was trying to get out with the tweezers, when I was mixing some of the paints with the Deco Art paints with my pouring medium, it was a bit runny. So I ended up adding some of this product here, which is some gel medium, which comes out more like a paste, and that was a bit tricky to mix through after the paint had already been thinned down. So I ended up with a couple of lumps in it, I would say, and that's why I struggled to pick these up, because they were just some gel. They weren't actually bits, but they've dried as small lumps. But that's quite bright through there. But yeah, I'm planning to put this up in my house. I'm just holding this here, but this is the colour of my wall, and I thought it would look quite good here. So that's it for this one, number 1 of my swipe technique series. Hope you enjoyed that, and I have a bit of that paint left over, so I might add some more of the Deco Art metallics that I have purchased in the next painting. So I will see you there. Bye.